Kidney stone signs and management. Kidney stones are hard deposits made from minerals and salts that form inside the kidney or urinary tract. Small stones may pass on their own, but larger stones can block urine flow and cause severe pain. Infection, kidney swelling, or kidney damage. Management depends on stone size, location, symptoms, infection, and kidney function. Blood in urine. Urine may look pink, red, or brown. Blood may be visible or detected only on urine test. Blood can occur due to stone irritation. Persistent blood in urine needs medical evaluation. Digestive symptoms. Nausea is common. Vomiting may occur during severe pain. Abdominal bloating may be present. Severe vomiting can cause dehydration. Prevention. Drink enough water daily. Reduce excess salt intake. Avoid frequent dehydration. Stone analysis helps guide specific prevention advice.
Uragenda ugafata indimu, ugafata tungurusumu, ndetse ukongeramo na jinja. Ibyo bitatu bigufasha gusukura impyiko zawe mu gihe cy'iminsi 14. Utubigenza gute? Impyiko yamaze kurwara urayimenya kuko ubona ibimenyetso. Ufata indimu ukayisatura, ugatonora tungurusumu, ugashyira mu kintu cyiza uri bubitekeremo, warangiza ugafata jinja ukayikata neza isukuye, ukabiteka mu mazi ari kubira nibuze iminota 15. Iyo urangije uraminina, wamara kuminina ukabinywa nk'unywa icyayi mu gihe cy'iminsi 14 mu gitondo na nimugoroba. Kanda subscribe.